Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 105th anniversary 2008 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic Electra Glide. This touring bike has just under 9,000 miles on it and is in mint condition. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, and we'll fire it up. They got a lot of nice accessories on this bike too. They've done some very tasteful stuff. Tires on it are in great shape, plenty of miles left on those. Comes with the highway pegs, footboards for the driver, footboards for the passenger. It's got bar bags, I guess you'd call them, bar pouches. It also comes with a luggage rack. I believe these are aftermarket pipes. They look like they've had the baffles taken out of them. Rear tire as well, good shape, plenty of miles left on that. So again, the bar bag, footboards for the passenger, footboards for the driver. They've also made this just a toe shifter as well. And again, our highway pegs and a cup holder. Oops, cup holder. A gas cap cover and a triple windscreen pouch. So this bike is really nice and sharp and clean. Show you those miles now. 8,927 is what's on it. This 2008 105th Anniversary Ultra will be going through our pre-sale inspection, and as with all our other motorcycles, for the entire time you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course more accessories for it. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.